Good morning, everyone. This is Horrible Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 3, verse 16 to 17 in Urumbo language. Obe ri Matthew uyobi royin era awo royin ikwe gbesan rite ikwe gbigren. Verse 16. Oke rawo ve ame ke Jesu nu. Ude wuto ne ame re. Ewo ni ogiwu derie wiho. Oda mre eri re ogene kire ile kuku de wuto re. Oda ran mu. Verse 17. Nige ururu ovu dene ogiwu re. Tane onana he omo me rojeve re evu royin wiri ove. Thank you.